Hi, welcome to Ivy Kids. We are thrilled to show you around the school. Come on in. Our indoor playground is a world of fun and exploration where kids can develop their balance and coordination, all while playing and interacting with their friends. High above the city, our outdoor sky playground provides fresh air and a safe environment for children to run, cycle, and discover the wonders of nature. Our classrooms are designed with inquiry corners to inspire hands-on learning in science, math, language, and creativity. Each corner invites children to engage, experiment, and discover something new every day. The Atelier is a dedicated space for arts and crafts where children can express themselves creatively. With various materials and tools at their fingertips, our little artists bring their imaginations to life through vibrant projects. In our cozy library, kids can explore a world of stories, developing a love for reading that will stay with them for life. This is where new adventures begin with every turn of the page. Our speech and drama room is where children find their voices and build confidence. Through interactive activities, they learn to express themselves, communicate effectively, and discover the joy of storytelling. In the Performing Arts Studio, our young dancers and musicians explore rhythm, movement, and melody. This is where kids get to showcase their talents and enjoy the thrill of performing for their friends and family. Our bathrooms and toilets are specially designed for children, giving them independence and comfort in spaces perfectly suited to their needs, clean, safe, and kid-friendly. In our dining area, mealtime is a social experience where kids learn healthy eating habits and table manners. It's a joyful part of their day, filled with laughter, sharing, and delicious, nutritious food. At Ivy Kids Preschool, every space is designed to support learning, creativity, and growth, making each day a memorable and meaningful adventure. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we can't wait to welcome you and your child into our Ivy Kids family. Thank you for dropping by. See you soon.